How can we support and empower women?
As women, there is no limit to what they can prove and accomplish. Even decades ago, women always encounter male discrimination. People always think that woman is weak and useless. They think that woman is born to serve men.
The Philippine Commission on Women stands in solidarity with women and everyone. Let us make this Women's Month. More than a celebration, let us turn this into a movement.
What challenges that you may encounter as a woman po?
Okay, the challenges I encounter as a woman in UARM is usually what happens when I'm treating student patients who are larger and or heavier than me. For example, I treat or practice with students na kunwari mga lalaki tapos mas malaki sila sa akin. So usually mahihirapan ako with that kasi kunwari I have many teachers syempre. Tapos dapat ako with that, pero this challenge also helps me with my future practices. Parang this will help me adjust on what I need to improve and para maging resourceful na rin ako and para maging resilient. Ganun.
So, how you overcome those challenges po?
Okay. So, I overcome these challenges by practicing more on the proper body mechanics and safe handling techniques. So, parang i-review ko lang ulit kung paano mag-handle ng mga patients that I encounter like those students. Tapos, practice lang siguro, exercise more para makapag-adjust ako, para mas makayanin ko sila. Kasi hindi lang dapat ako magpili ng patients na lang kaya ko. Dapat maging prepared din ako kung sino-sino patients yung mapunta sa akin. Malaki man, maliit, gano'n. Para maging prepared lang din in the future, in the long run.
As a woman, I usually encounter many challenges in social media. Palagi ako nakaka-receive ng mga sex video, pornographic, sexual, parang ito yung tinatawag na online sexual harassment. Kasi diba, halaganap na sa social media ang mga pornography, sex video, mga anime sex video, so on, marami pang iba na hindi ka ayang panoodin ng mga bata. Kaya pinagsisend sila ng mga kung sino-sino doon sa social media, sa mga hindi naman nila kilala. Siguro nagtitrip lang, pwede rin umapit dito yung cyberbullying, di ba? Kasi di lang kasi babae yan, pwede makaranas sa cyberbullying, pwede rin lalaki, di ba? Yun. Pero kadalasan nakakaranas sa cyberbullying ay babae. Yun nga yung naranasan ko, yung maka-receive ng mga kung ano-anong mga malalaswang bagay. Kaya ang ginagawa ko na lang, block ko po yung mga nagsisend sa akin nun. Nire-report ko yung account nila. Pag nire-report yung account nila, mababasa sa Facebook, hindi na nila magagamit yung account nila. Buti nga yun sa kanila kasi nangaharas sila ng mga inosente babae. Tapos, mahalaga po yung para sa akin kasi dahil doon, natututo ako na ay kumagamit sa bilang physical therapy kasi kailangan marunong ka humande ng isang sitwasyon na hindi mo inaasahan at dapat marunong ka rin na malampasan yung pressure na dapat mong malampasan. Dapat meron ka mga strong minds, matagal sa pag-iisip yon para malagpasan mo yung pagsubok at para magamot mo yung pasyente mo na maayos.
No country can ever truly flourish if it stifles the potential of its women and deprives itself of the contributions of half of its citizens.
Let us fully enforce the Magna Carta of Women, ensuring women's access to food security, affordable and decent housing, employment, livelihood, education, representation in decision-making process, and protection against discrimination and violence. We are not waiting for change. We are driving it. We are not asking for space. We are reclaiming it. We are not just empowering women. We are redefining power itself and using it for the betterment of all, especially those who are marginalized and are already being left behind. The road to true gender equality is long and thorny, and the challenges are great, but so is our determination. We will not slow down. We will not turn back. We will draw strength from each other, and we will only push forward. Once again, we are turning the page toward a future where women are not just seen but valued, not just heard but respect, not just included but empowered, and not just contributor to progress but are equal beneficiary of its success. As a woman, I want to prove to all that I am not weak, that I am capable to be a doctor even I'm just a woman. Because all of the experience and challenges that we have faced, I realize that it is okay to feel as it will make you stronger. Isa na lang po sa halimbawa, ang pagsasayaw ko po sa Badpit. Ito po yung pinaka-challenges o isa sa mga challenges ko sa UERM, ang pagsasayaw. Lingin sa kaalaman nyo na hindi talaga marunong sumayaw. Pero kailangan gawin para sa project. Pero at the same time, na-enjoy ko naman po itong ginagawa kasi po nakakatulong naman po ito sa akin para maging mas confident pa ako lalo, at maganda rin po tong exercise para sa akin, pampalakas din po ng katawan. Ayun.
Sumaya,